Okay, you actually have to sit in the back.
What's that?
You have to sit in the back.
My brother doesn't have a mask though. He forgot it. Do you have an extra one?
No.
Do you have an extra mask?
No, I don't. Hey man, I can't be in the street. Can you? Hey, can you close the door? I got someone in the back. I can't be.
He's right here.
Huh?
He's right here, so don't worry about it. Thanks a lot. Let's go. The guy is so fine, dude. Let's go. Get in. You don't have an extra mask around here?
I don't carry. I'm not gonna.
What? Sure? Yes, put it in. Put it on. I guess you gotta protect her, dude. You're fine. I know. You don't have to be a mask. Please. What's it doing? The guy. You have to put it over your head.
I need you guys to put your seatbelts on.
You are just.
Oh, okay. No, I'm not taking you. No,
man. I get it. I get it, but we weren't ready.
No, I'm canceling the ride. I'm not putting.
Don't do that, man.
I am not putting up with that.
No, we're doing everything you want. Please,
No.
Please.
Okay, don't worry.
Please.
No.
No.
Please.
Okay, so you're not going to charge her for this, right?
Well, I don't know.
No.
Because I can report you and tell you why. So we're doing good.
Okay,
We're
no, I
complying.
cancel it. You can find someone else. I'm not. That's non-negotiable. You're not gonna argue about me about wearing a.
No, I'm not.
seatbelt.
We're not. We're doing everything you say.
Okay,
Please,
no.
We're doing from the
No,
same.
find someone else. I'm not putting up with that. I'm tired of putting up with that.
No, you're right. You're right.
Look, I got my mask on.
No.
No matter.
Yeah, and then you
he's
complain
right.
about wearing a seatbelt. I'm not putting up with it.
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm gonna sit down.
Okay, I already canceled the ride, so you need to find someone else.
You did.
You need to find someone else.
Please.
No, we are.
No. No.
It's all good.
Okay.
No, it's not. I already canceled the ride.
I know you did.
So
Oh my gosh.
I have a zero tolerance.
I know you are. You're a dick.
Okay.
You're a dick.
No, I'm not.
Yeah, you are. You're a